Hello, I just wanted to shoot this video to explain a little more in detail what the plugin does and some terminology. In fact, I'm recording this video after I have recorded all the other ones, but I think it's important for you to understand some things. Uh, well, the purpose of the plugin is, of course, to create links from different posts or pages to other posts or pages within your site. And if we see this post here called erythrodermic psoriasis symptoms and treatment, you see that there is a line here that says if you want to know more about this topic, visit general psoriasis. Well, if we go inside the admin area, inside the edit post, and we take a look at this post, you see that there is no such line here, such link at the top. So the link that we are seeing here in the front end is not something that we have created inside the post. It's been added by our plugin, by the WP internal links plugin. In fact, I have created a test structure. Don't worry about any of this because I will explain that in the videos that you can see later. Okay, so I have created a structure that says that from the post erythrodermic psoriasis it has to link to what is general psoriasis, and the anchor text will be general psoriasis, and this is what we see here at the top. Okay, so just in order to clarify some terminology, there is one thing that we call introductory text that you will see in the general settings video. That's this first part here. If you want to know more about this topic, visit. This is what we call the introductory text, which is something that you can use to encourage people to click on the link that will be following this text. When you are creating the structures, each post or page where the links are going to be created are called nodes, which are the orange squares here in the eye rectangle at the top. So each of these orange square will be called a node, and each node has different elements inside it. The source just refers to where the post will be linked. So in this case, the source is the post called erythrodermic psoriasis. So this is the source, this post called erythrodermic psoriasis, and is where the link will be posted. Then we have another element which is target for link 1, which is which post or page will that link will be pointing to. So in this case, it will be pointing to, as you can see at the bottom left, a post called what is general psoriasis at the URL psoriasisfreeforlifenow.com/what is general psoriasis. This is the target. So to what post or page will this post be linking? And the anchor text is quite self-explanatory, is the text that will be used to create this link. You can enter the exact title, like what is general psoriasis, or you can enter many keyword like genital psoriasis, or if you wanted to, you could even just copy the URL and enter the URL here as a naked URL for penguin purposes. If we update the structure and refresh, you see that it has now changed to a naked URL. So these are the main elements that are making up all these links. The introductory text that you can change in the general settings, as we'll see later. We have the source, which is the post where the link will be posted, in our case erythrodermic psoriasis. We have the target, which is the URL to which the link will be pointing to. In our case, it's this one that I have also made be the same as the anchor text. That we can change again if we wanted to. 2 general psoriasis, for instance. This is the anchor text for link 1. Okay, we refresh. You see how the target is the same in both cases, but the anchor text has changed. Just as a side note, if you are using the last two structures, the web and the star, there will be additional elements in the structure edition page, which are the link to values. I won't create one right now, but so that you see it, if we select the web, you see that we have target for link 2 and anchor text for link 2. The meaning is the same, but they will be used for the links used in these red arrows. Okay, so I hope I have made clear what this plugin is doing, that the fact that this line, this complete line, is being added dynamically by the plugin and not being added inside the post content, and what the introductory text, the source, and the target, and the anchor text are. Okay, see you in the next videos where I'll explain you how you can start configuring and using the plugin. Bye.